Hi everyone! Today we are making a super simple and delicious pot of taco soup using mostly pantry ingredients. This is hearty and satisfying and very customizable to your preferred heat level and by your choice of toppings. Here's how it goes. My 6-quart pot is preheated and I'm adding just a bit of oil to get things going. I'm using a pound of lean ground beef today, but you could use any ground meat you like. Chicken, turkey, pork, things like that. And if you use a fattier meat, you can skim the excess fat off the top later if you want to. This only takes a few minutes to fully brown, and you break up the meat as you go. Now going in with a large onion and a big bell pepper. Any color is fine. Red has a little sweetness and it gives a good contrast in the final dish. Just a few minutes to soften, and then we can go in with the garlic and spices next. Chili powder and cumin will help boost our taco seasoning. And a bay leaf will balance everything together. Use any taco seasoning you like. These are just what I had in my pantry at this moment in time. Let's try this one today. It looks fun. Wait until the end to add salt because there's a lot in both the seasoning and other ingredients, and you may not need to add any extra at all. Stirring for just another minute until fragrant. It is smelling so good in my kitchen right now. Time to clean up the pot. Just a cup or two of chicken broth to loosen up the bottom. Make sure nothing sticks to avoid getting any burn issues later. And now everything else can go in. Drained black beans and corn, fire roasted if you can find it. I've also seen them in the freezer section. A can of Ro-tel, any flavor or heat level of your choice. Careful, this one's really spicy. And a small can of tomato sauce. Use the rest of the broth to swish out the cans. And give it all a quick stir to even things out in the pot. This will cook for 10 minutes on high, followed by a 10-minute natural pressure release. Then you can manually release any remaining pressure. And yeah. Ooh, I found the bay leaf almost right away. That never happens. A little cilantro and some lime juice, just a little to test. Then I'll taste it and see if it needs any more. Yep, just a little more. But there was plenty enough salt in the other ingredients, so no need for me to add any more at this point. And also FYI, you can choose lower sodium ingredients if that's a concern for you. Nice. Toppings are optional and completely up to you, but I highly recommend cheese, scallions, sour cream, and definitely some crushed up tortilla chips. Good. As always, ingredients and instructions are in the description box. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and leave a comment if you feel like it. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye-bye!